Pisces, this is your channel messages for the 27th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Pisces, thank you for the roses. Thank you for the roses. Tell me, what inspires you or who inspires you? Your mom, nigga. Thank you for the roses. Who lets Miles in? Also, here's what I'm noticing. Hush, hush, what I'm observing from a little clippets or clipsets that I am seeing. Who teach Kai for the magic so good? Kai, this whole allegation of Kai not bathing. You sure Kai smell bad or is that him here? Maybe he's him here. Maybe me need to detox him here. Maybe what you're smelling is not him, it's him here. Also, Kai start asleep while somebody else on stream theme. Bruh, I will teach you how to control your blood clot dreams, them, Kai. Kai, you are doing this all while being live stream. I don't know the fuck you do this. I don't know. But also, what I can say is, Kai, what Kai going on? Here, this is the benefit and this is the disadvantage of being a star all while being in your house. Remember when COVID did come, a lot of the shows them were doing it from home. Okay, so Kai capitalized on that, right? Okay, great. Kai don't understand say him are the biggest thing in Hollywood now. Kai don't understand this. Kai lock up in our house every day and yes, him have money and him have whatever. And you know, I'm telling you, I like about Kai, me hear him a cuss Ray about the fact that them now use them headphones properly and a 2005. Now, to be honest, 2005 is not money to Kai. But I like the fact that at least him can count to 2005 is money. Him not blow the money. For sure him come from a humble beginning and him smart, him educated when it comes down to money. Him not just a blow it weapon fuckery, right? Okay, cool. He even started mentoring two little boy. How old is Kai? Say I mentor two young youth. Kai don't understand say him are the biggest plot thing in Hollywood now. Kai, are you around Hollywood? Kai, you are the one the celebrities are going to. Remember we used to tune in on Entertainment Weekly to watch celebrities. The celebrities them watch you, Kai. Are you around the blood clot place now? Have you not seen? Also, have you not seen I Show Speed went to Australia? Him like mingle with his tribe, Australian tribe and everything. I really like Speed, I love Speed, I like Kai. I love Speed, I love Kai. All right. Anyways, this is your channel. So, this is your channel song. Oh, no. Come with me, stay the night. Just say the words, but boy, you don't feel right. What do you expect me to say? You take my hand and you said you changed, but boy, you know you're begging, don't fool me. Because to you, this is just a game. So let me on it down, cause times have been strong, I'm starting moving on, I'm gonna say this now. Your chances come and go, cause you know that it's just too little too late, a little too wrong, and I can't wait, cause you know all the right things to say, you know. And you say you dream of my face, but you don't like me, you're just like a chase. Now be real, it doesn't matter anyway. No, it's just a little too late, so I don't know what's a little too late for you. Pisces, but I'm just saying Pisces. When all has been lost, just know the fishes can be found, okay? Okay, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Pisces, we are doing your ancestor reading, okay? Connecting to your spirit guides, okay? So let's get an overall message and go into your reading. Thank you for the roses. Thank you for the roses. Wow. Just a few more of those and I'll be having a bouquet. Hey, Miles, what inspires you or who inspires you? Your mom, nigga. Thank you for the roses. That guy's unreal. That guy that unreal. Miles him name. Miles him on. That don't make sense to me. Anyways, let's see what the overall message. We have the King of Cups is the overall message. So we have a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio man here, okay? Let us go ahead and see what card represents your guides or your guide. Because some all we have enough. You understand? Me have 4. Archangel Michael, Archangel Uriel, Archangel Gabriel, and Archangel Raphael. What are yours, huh? What is yours? And I gained those 4 spiritual guides before me did discover the community center where me did clean. I'm gonna tell you one. I'm missing some, right? Okay, so one time, first time I did go to the community center, right? For some reason, my brain that time for wrap my head. And I wasn't wrapping my head because I wanted to look Muslim. Sweetie, my father a Rasta. Oh, now I'm gonna tell people some parents them French. Oui, tu dis ça? Oui, c'est ma parents, c'est français? No, ma parents, Jamaica. They come from Jamaica. The fuck, man? Who now walk and say my parents French? My parents is not French. My father is a festival song competition winner in Jamaica. I'm not French. My ex-husband was French. So which man or woman that claim to them my blood clot parents not French? Oh, sweetie, French cannot be responsible for this. I'm sorry. The French could not be responsible for a melanated woman being this fucking confident and having this much talent. Believe me, the French is not responsible. It couldn't be. It couldn't be from a French balls and a French egg and sperm. It couldn't. So even if anything, even if that was a rumors, even if documentation that said why that girl appearance French, you think French could have produced this? No. Merci beaucoup. Alright, consider reading. So what is the Cartier Guides? The Cartier Guides is the 6 of Wands. Literally, it's taking you in transition. So I'm getting a guides that tell you, say, don't get comfortable where you are. You'll be moving soon. And I'll make you move when you're ready. Or I'm getting something about a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio man. You're waiting on him to come back for you to move. Alright, the message your guide would like to give you is a devil card. Now the devil is obstacles, fears. So I'm getting you running, it's like me getting you run away from a problem. Me getting you have a problem, you won't stand up and face the problem head on, you run from the problem. Your problem could be an ex-husband, an ex-wife, an ex-relationship. Me getting you to face this devil first before you can move on. The devil in your way. So you have to go recontact somebody who you never contacted before, or you're going to have to reopen a case where you never think you'd reopen. Me getting your guides to help you, but the guides are telling you that we cannot navigate you around the devil. You have to face the devil. You have to face it like the final boss in Dante's Inferno. Let us go. So what else is your guide trying to tell you? The 4 of Wands, yeah. Okay, so I'm getting, okay, so you're in transition. You're going to be housed. You're going to live somewhere, you relocate. There's a Capricorn in the middle of that. There's a devil. Now, the devil can be somebody else on the lease and you don't know this. The devil can be, it say you and somebody else share the residence. The devil can also be, you go there without paperwork and them kick you out. Tell lie, the whole people tell lie and you say you have 808 complain and kick you out, you don't have a lease and somebody else get the house. But me getting you to face the devil. The devil might live where you live. The devil might be a Capricorn. Or me getting the devil is this man who... Me getting there's something about you were supposed to live with somebody. Like that was arranged. You were arranged to live with somebody. So I mean, I know, maybe a toxic ex will just show up at your door and say, hey, hey. And say, can I sleep on the couch for the night? I wouldn't make you sleep on the couch. You can sleep in our bed. The Lover's card. I'd never make it. The couch is for dogs. I don't want to make you sleep on the couch. You can sleep on a bed, bro. You think going to get that hard? Well, apparently you ain't over the ex. Right? Yeah. You have to face your devil first, face the demon first. Then you go in. The devil was right behind you. You face the devil, now you have the Lover's card. You just have to face your fears. You getting you run from your fear, you run from the man them, you run from the girlfriend them, you run from your ex them. That's why you can't move on. Because you've never completed a cycle with these people. Or me getting you're leaving a Capricorn to go to a Gemini. Me getting you leave to a Capricorn, but you are going there with a Gemini. You're leaving a Capricorn, you go to the Gemini. This is the Capricorn, this is the Gemini. Something like that. How can you be open, more open to the future messages? The Star card. Wow. It's really about accepting the fact that you don't have all the answers, accepting the fact that you can get answers without asking people, without even verbally saying, what is the answer for this? You can get the answers. Or I'm getting the answers lies where you feel most loved, where you feel like somebody encourage you, them inspire you to be the best person you can be or to follow your dreams. And that usually it wouldn't be the Capricorn. It usually would have been the lovers. So I'm getting maybe the reason why you kept being in a unhappy, unhealthy relationship is because you didn't think you deserved love and happiness. You think that when you're one thing though, as bad as I'm gonna chat to my blood clot big sister, right? One thing she tell me, and it stuck with me. When I was telling her the whole thing I went through with getting a divorce, she said, listen, when you just meet the man, you think the man would have been everything for you. But little did you know that you was everything for him. Him didn't need you more than you need him. And that may have been true, 2 packs of sugar, but after being homeless for 5 years, I may have needed him more than he needed me. You have to believe that you are capable of love. If you believe that every relationship you're going in, boy, you're afraid that the man take advantage of you, usually you're going to end up in a one toxic relationship. If you're going in a relationship very snobby, being like, no, just say no. You always say no. Just say no. I'm guessing that's the relationship you can control. Because I'm guessing you get in a relationship and you let the man take the lead as to how to attend to your emotions. Baby, you can't do that. You know, so we're in a fight with a father, we're in a fight with a mother about how they attend to our emotions. Just because you're there with a man and the man love you, it doesn't mean he knows how to love you right. Suppose the mother never loved him. Suppose the mother used to tell him saying big fat ugly look like one monster, one Slytherin blood clot snake from fucking House of Slytherin in fucking Harry Potter. Suppose the mother used to done him. That don't mean saying I'll come in a relationship praising you. He never compliments me. Okay, suppose the mother used to say you was a no good piece of shit like your daddy. You don't know. You cannot assume. And sometimes when you make an ego get the best of you know. You have an ego, you cannot be married. You have an ego, you cannot have a girlfriend. Because it cannot be you, the girlfriend, and the ego. Because the ego is not real. It's a second perception of an image, of a self-image. So now you have your ego, you and the girl. Who should go and trust you or your ego? Is it your ego or is it bipolarism? One more. What path is your guys helping you on? The path of freedom, the path of not feeling confined, the path of even if you're in a relationship with somebody, you still feel like you can breathe. You're getting somebody suffocating or them a stifle you, or you can't do nothing without somebody. Somebody always have to constantly be watching you. Me getting the Gemini though. Maybe the Capricorn always have to watch you. Me getting the Capricorn stalk out your blood clot. But me kind of like man who stalk me. Not in a bad way. I mean, you have 5 minutes to say hi to me, so you drive 20 minutes to say hi to me for 5 minutes and then you leave. That's what I mean, right? But I don't know what you heard about me, but then you can't get $1 out of me. But the rap no verse you can't see. I ain't gonna love you unless you are SIMP, okay? Or the Fool card. And I'm just saying, if you have gotten out of a toxic relationship, chances are you'll go right back in a one. Because you don't know the difference as to what to view to see what a healthy relationship look like. You just come out of a toxic relationship and you're gonna go try to find man. Now if you come out of a long-term toxic relationship, if you want to meet a man to go out to the bar, to pay for dates, to bring you to Canada Wonderland, if that's what you want, that's fine. But you cannot leave a toxic relationship and expect we're going to another relationship. You don't have the qualities to identify a good man. Obviously, just like me, your choices in man are shitty. But that maybe relates from my mother's choice and my father. Okay, let me just go ahead and do this. Listen, my mom choice in men may be shitty, but let me tell you something. She did not disappoint with the aesthetics. She made sure the aesthetics would come out great. Sorry, yeah. All expense paid, yeah. All expense paid for you. Kill them with kindness. We got passports. You're going to passport. Jesus Christ, where are you going? Oh my God. We have Pisces. Ooh. We have the Lovers card again. 2 times. Could be something. We have Gemini, we have Pisces, we have Aquarius, we have Capricorn, one more, and we have Spirit attached. I'm gonna leave it here. Until next time. Bye.
Oh my God.
Goal!